Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the remaining type of hybridization. In last lecture we have discussed sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization and sp hybridization. Today we will discuss sp3 dehybridization. The orbitals involved are one orbital of s, three orbitals of p and one orbital of d. Total 5 orbitals will involve and they will get intermixed with each other to form 5 new hybrid orbitals. Five orbitals are s, px plus py plus pz plus dz square. D have 5 orbitals, so dz square is used in sp3 dehybridization. As a result, five hybrid sp3 d orbitals are formed. So its regular geometry is trigonal bipyramidal containing 5 bonds and various bond angles are formed here. Total 10 number of 10 number of bond angles are formed. Three bond angles of 60 degree, 6 bond angles of 90 degree and 1 bond angle of 180 degree. Total 10 number of bonds are formed in sp3 dehybridization. And if lone pair are present in the compounds and the hybridization is sp3d, then we need to locate lone pair of electrons on equatorial triangle to minimize the lone pair bond pair repulsion. Lone pair must be placed at a equatorial triangle. So what are the possible cases for sp3 dehybridization? First is AB5, 5 sigma bonds. AB5, 5 sigma bond or 5 bond pair, and there is a no lone pair. Then geometry is regular geometry is bipyramidal trigonal or bipyramidal triangular, right? Examples are PCl5 arsenic pentachloride. We need 5 valence electrons to form a 5 sigma bond or 5 bond pair. So PCl5, ASCl5 belongs to sp3d hybridization and the geometry is a bipyramidal trigonal, right? This is the geometry of PCl5. Next possible case is 4 bond pairs and one lone pair. Consider lone pair as a sigma bond. So again hybridization is sp3d. But now we have to arrange lone pair on equatorial triangle to minimize the lone pair bond pair repulsion. So geometry is lone pair is placed at a triangle. So now shape is English word K. So it is called K shape or pi shape. For AB4L1 geometry is K shape or pi shape or seesaw shape. So example, we need 4 sigma bonds and 1 lone pair. So total 6 number of valence electrons are required. 6 valence electrons are present in group number 16. So examples can be created. SF4, geometry again we can draw for one. This is geometry for a SF4, right? Next possible case is AB3L2. Now 3 sigma bond and 2 lone pairs are present. Again we will arrange lone pair on a equatorial triangle to minimize the repulsion. So geometry will be two lone pairs are placed at the corner of triangle, and now geometry is English word T. This is a T shape. Examples: 3 sigma, 2 lone pair, total 7 valence electrons, group number 17. So ClF3, IF3, IBr3. It is important. See, many times question have been asked, what is the geometry of ClF3? Even in a 12th standard also. Next case is AB2L3, 2 sigma bond and 3 lone pairs. Geometry will be three lone pairs are placed at 3 corners of triangle. Now geometry is linear. Example: 3 lone pair, 6 electrons, 2 sigma, total valence electrons 8. So example is XaF2. Now one theoretical question may be asked, why XeF2 is a linear? The answer will be in XeF2 3 lone pair and 2 sigma bonds are present. To minimize the repulsion of lone pair and bond pair, lone pairs are placed at equatorial triangle and 2 fluorines are placed at a pyramidal line. That's why geometry is linear. These are the possible cases for a sp3d. Next is sp3d2 hybridization. Orbitals 1 orbital of S, 3 orbitals of P and 2 orbitals of D. Total 6 hybrid orbitals are formed by the intermixing of these 6 pure orbitals. Six hybrid orbitals are formed. So its regular geometry is octahedral or bipyramidal square planar. Total number of bond angles in sp3d2 hybridization are 15. Twelve bond angles of 90 degree, 3 bond angles of 180 degree. In AIMS 2006, this question has been asked. Name the hybridization in which maximum number of bond angles are formed of 90 degree. Answer is sp3d2. Now what are the possible cases? First case is AD6, 6 sigma bonds are formed, no lone pair. Geometry is bipyramidal square planar. Examples: SF6, PCl6 with a negative charge. Phosphorus have 5 electrons, 1 electron comes from negative charge, 6 electrons are shared. So hybridization sp3d2. Geometry is a bipyramidal square planar. That is the first possible case. Second possible case is AB5L1, 5 sigma bond, 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Five bond pair plus 1 lone pair. So lone pair will be arranged at a pyramidal line to minimize the repulsion. So geometry will be pyramidal square planar. At one pyramid we have arranged lone pair. So geometry changes to bipyramidal square planar to pyramidal square planar. Now example, we need 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Total 7 number of electrons, valence electrons are required. So group number 17 we will use ClF5, IF5, etc. Next possible case is four sigma bond and Two lone pairs are required for sp3d2 hybridization, but type AB for L2. Geometry. Now two lone pairs are present, they will be arranged at a pyramidal line to minimize the repulsion. So geometry will be square planar. So how to create example? 4 sigma bond 4 electrons and 2 lone pair 4 electrons, total 8 number of electrons are required. Group number 18 will be needed. XeF4, right? That is the complete explanation for sp3d2. One question is asked, maximum number of bond angles of 90 degree are formed in sp3d2 hybridization, and total number of bond angles are 15. And last hybridization is sp3d3 hybridization. Total number of orbitals required are 7. One orbital of S, 3 orbitals of P and 3 orbitals of D. Total number of bonds are 7. 7 bonds will form. So 7 orbitals are required. These 7 orbitals will intermix to form 7 new hybrid orbitals. Its geometry is bipyramidal pentagonal. 2 bonds are pyramidal line and 5 bonds are in a pentagonal shape. Total number of bond angles total 16 bond angles are formed. Out of 16, 5 bond angles are of 72 degree, 10 bond angles are of 90 degree, and 1 bond angle is of 180 degree are formed in sp3d3. Total 16 bond angles. Now maximum number of bond angles are present in sp3d3 hybridization. Now what are the possible cases? First possible case is AB7. 7 sigma bonds are formed. Seven sigma and there is a no lone pair. Then geometry is bipyramidal pentagonal. This is AB7. 7 sigma bonds are formed by pyramidal pentagonal. Example is IF7, BRCL7, ICL7. Next possible case is AB6L1, 6 sigma bond, 6 sigma bond and 1 lone pair. Total number of bond again is 7. Hybridization sp3d3. Now geometry is now at one pyramid there is a one lone pair. So geometry changes to bipyramidal to pyramidal. Pyramidal pentagonal example is XCF6. In xenon, 6 direct bonds are formed and 1 lone pair present. So case is AB6L1. That is for complete hybridization. Thank you.